Good day, everyone. So today we're going to do an experiment. What do you think is going to happen if we combine a Funhouse Mirror with an infinity mirror? Go. Okay, so there are many ways we could actually combine these two concepts together, but today this is what I want to try. So just like a regular infinity mirror, it looks a bit like some sort of optical BLT sandwich. The main difference here is at the cheese layer. We're going to use instead a half-reflective Funhouse mirror. Good, so we have the optical layout. Now we need to decide on what kind of shape would be interesting for the Funhouse mirror. And this is actually a rather difficult question at the moment, because we really have no idea of what to expect. I mean, inside an infinity mirror, the light is going to be reflecting quite a few times inside. And with a Funhouse wavy shaped mirror, the light is going to be slightly distorted every time it's going to bounce off this mirror. And the distortion is going to accumulate at each reflection. So even a small change in the shape of the Funhouse mirror could actually have a drastic impact on what we will be seeing inside the Funhouse infinity mirror. So the bottom line is, I have no idea. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting. First, I need to build up some intuition to get a better understanding on how the shape of the Funhouse mirror is related to the visual output of the Funhouse infinity mirror. So probably the easiest way is going to be through experiments. So I'm going to build a small prototype with everything but the half-reflective mirror. And then I'm just going to take one of those half-reflective film and just wave it and bend it just in front of it, just to see what's going on. Okay, let's go build something. I've designed a very simple infinity mirror with a 10 cm square mirror, a 30 cm LED strip, and a bit of 3D printed plastic. And then the idea is that later on we'll be able to attach the half-reflective Funhouse mirror on top. But for now we will just leave it open, and instead we will be playing with this piece of half-reflective film. Alright, so now let's turn the lights off. So if I lay the mirror film flat, we have a regular infinity mirror. Alright, but let's do some proper experimenting now. Okay, I'll just try to bend the reflective film into random shapes and see what happens. Okay, that should be enough for now. I think I've identified a few basic shapes that should be interesting to try. Okay, the Funhouse mirror shapes I want to try are all really basic. So there is a very simple way to build them. We'll just sandwich a piece of half-reflective film between two big rings that already have the proper shape. So I designed a whole bunch of these wavy mirrors, and the idea is that they should attach to the main body of our infinity mirror prototype. And then it should be easy to simply swap them in and out. Ta-da! we just got a glimpse into what a Funhouse infinity mirror might look like. But to be fair, we've only really just barely scratched the surface here. I mean, I've only really tried just the most basic shapes for the wavy mirror. Because, well, when you think about it, for a regular infinity mirror, you only really have just 2 or 3 variables that might meaningfully impact the display. The size of the footprint and the distance between the mirrors. However, for Funhouse Infinity Mirror, we have just so many new variables, which is really exciting because when you think about it, there must be a lot of cool stuff we could do with the Funhouse Infinity Mirror that we haven't even thought of yet. Anyway, if you want to start doing your own optical experiments, I know you probably already know how to build an infinity mirror, but if you want a quick and easy build, just go to Thingiverse to get my 3D files. I've even uploaded a few of the basic shapes for the Funhouse mirror just to get you started. Okay, that's it. Ciao.